Do you want to make money without doing any of the hard work yourself? If so, you've come to the right place, because in this tutorial, I will show you how you can make hundreds of dollars without doing anything, thanks to a site that I will show you inside of this video. And for those wondering, this works worldwide, and you won't be investing any money up front. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright guys, so let's get started. As you can see, I am on Fiverr.com right now, but don't worry, this strategy does not involve Fiverr. I know from my comments that many of you don't like it due to the fact that it's so competitive, but I'm using Fiverr as an example in order to show you something, which is what you will be doing in order to get paid, and for how much. What you will be doing is creating video ads, but not yourselves guys, as I will show you in this video a site that will literally create those video ads for you as promised in the intro, so you won't have to do any work yourselves at all, and you'll be able to get paid even if you've never created a video ad in your life. Now, as far as how much money you will be making, well, you can see from some of these gigs that we are talking literally hundreds of dollars per single video ad created. For example, this person here is charging nearly $500 for a single video ad without a voiceover, as you can see, and thus far has had 280 reviews. If you just count the reviews, that means this person has made over $130,000 certainly. So as you can see, this has enormous potential, and this person is not the exception at all. This guy here is charging $245 for the cheapest package, and just over $300 for the most expensive one, and has had 373 reviews thus far. So this guy has made over $100,000 most likely. So as I said, this has huge potential to get you paid. While there are people charging less or having less reviews, all of them have one thing in common. They've made a lot of money, some up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, with that said, let me show you the actual website we will be using in order to get paid. That site is called legit.com. This site is, just like Fiverr, a freelancing platform, but with one major difference. There's not nearly as much competition, while there's a similar number of customers. In other words, on here you can make much more money than on Fiverr as a beginner. If you come back over on Fiverr here, you'll be able to see that when I searched for video ads, I found nearly 9,000 services, which is simply a lot, and would make trying to get started on Fiverr extremely hard. You can see how little competition Legit has in comparison to Fiverr by searching for video ads as well. As you can see, even though I typed in video ads in the search bar, the first few results I am seeing have literally nothing to do with video ad creation. This is because there are not that many video ad creators on here, which of course means that it's a fantastic time to jump on this website and take advantage of this opportunity right now before more people find out about it. Anyways, what you need to do first on here is obviously create an account. To do so, just click on register right here, and you will enter in your full name, email address, create a username, create a password. You will then want to select selling my services here, since obviously we won't be paying anyone. Then click on I'm not a robot. Tick this box signaling you agree to both their terms of service and privacy policy, both of which you can read by clicking on them. And lastly, just click on register in order to create your brand new account. With that done, now that you have your actual account, it's time for me to show you the actual tool that will do all of the hard work for you. The tool in question is called Flixpress.com. This site, as you can see, allows you to get started for free, and only for the long term do you have to start paying them. Now, what this will do is create video ads for you, so you don't have to do any work whatsoever. As is said on their homepage, create videos online in minutes. Make high-quality video for your business, YouTube, special occasion, or fun. So in essence, it allows you to create videos, and those videos do indeed include video ads, as I will show you soon enough. Some of the features this site has you can see just below, It's easy to use with no experience required at all. It's very affordable at only $1 per month for a single video, which is awesome. It's blazing fast, with videos being ready in 2 minutes or less. It offers its users studio quality, and it allows those same users to customize the videos themselves. Last but not least, it's rich with content, which includes, as you can see below, video ads, guys, which is precisely what we need. Now, on the homepage, you have much more info on this site, which you can go over if you want to. You can see it's easy, fast, and flexible, and on the right-hand side here, you can check out exactly what types of videos this will create for you. They include YouTube intros, promos and ads, which is what we are after. Now, you can click here to check out all of the features it has to offer you, but I will skip that since what I want to show you, however, is located just below. You can see some of their clients here, but just below that you have examples of their work, and I highly encourage you to check out their intros. I did so myself, and I was pleasantly surprised when I saw just how good they were. And you get these intros done for you, which could take someone else hours and hours of hard work to create, while you can have an ad finished in literally a couple of minutes. Anyways, in order to start using this, you will need an account, and just click on register here in order to create one. Create a username, enter in your first and last names, email address, and your password. Then tick this box to agree to their terms. Click on I'm not a robot, and then finally on register. With that done, what I now want to go over with you guys is pricing, since, as I said, this is not a free platform for a long period of time. It only stays free for a short period. Here's the thing though, the fact that it offers you free access for a set amount of time means you don't have to give away any money up front. And so what you can basically do is create a simple gig on legit.com and just wait for your first customer. Once that customer reaches out to you and is willing to work with you, you will then create an account on this website and use it for that very first customer. When you get paid, all you have to do is simply reinvest some of that money in this website and start using it for a longer period. And as you can see, it's quite affordable as well, given just how much money you can make creating those video ads. The most expensive plan, which you won't need by the way, costs $80 a month, and as you know, a single job could earn you between $150 and $500, which is between 2 and 6 times as much money. So this is more than worthwhile, definitely. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.